guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TT for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, welcome back to another wig review. In today's wig review, we will be talking about a wig by Bobbi Boss. So without further ado, let's get right into the video as I'll show you how I do the install, and then in the end I will talk about the pros, the cons, and give you my 2, 3, 4 cents of if you should pick this wig up. Let's go.
Much out of you, but now I need you to meet me in the middle. Don't wanna make an old mistake, and I'm trying to keep my priorities straight. So don't blow this, baby, it should be simple. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it. Don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, you won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby. Pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it. Take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I'm trying to stay strong. I can't keep holding on. I've got to be good to me. Exposing my heart. I've done more than my part. Why can't you step up for me? Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it. Don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, she won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby. Pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it. 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 Take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I put myself on the line, and I gave you a piece of my time, and you're making me feel so stupid. You never made it to a show, 'cause you're so busy. I know, baby. This window right here is closing. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it. Don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, you won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby. Pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it. Take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. I try to play it all cool, never expecting too much out of you, but now I need you to meet me in the middle. Don't wanna make an old mistake, and I'm trying to keep my priorities straight. So don't blow this,
So the wig that I have by Bobbi Boss is their Melony Mlf673 Melony. I have Melony in the color TTL1B2730. Bobbi Boss Melony is in the Ultra Scalp Illusion line. It has soft focus double line HD lace. It has a 13x5 deep lace. It is pre-plucked around the hairline. It has a free parting space, means you can part it left, right, or center. It has natural baby hairs, and it is part of their ultra hygienic Medi Fresh collection. Bobbi Boss Melony is heat safe and it is premium high heat fiber. It does have a flexi cap and it is not big head friendly. It does shed a tiny bit, not a whole lot to complain about. And I love the color. I started out styling this with a left side part. I didn't like it. I ended up doing a middle part and I love it. So this is what I came up with. I think this is a great beginner friendly wig. I would say it's an everyday wig, but more in the fall or the cooler months, because it has the double line HD lace. It might be a little hot for some people, but besides that, I think I give this wig an 8 out of 10. Bobbi Boss, good job. Keep up the great wigs. So let me do a close-up so you guys can see the lace, the part, the color, and 360. And I did not cut the I did not cut it to frame my face. It came like this, which I love, honey. Less things for Auntie TT to do, less things for me to do, which I love. Let's get through these reviews, honey. Come on now. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one yet. I'm gonna see. I think my honey likes it, so I just might keep it, but we gonna see. We gonna see. But yeah, I don't have anything else for you guys. So if this is something that resonates with you, or if this is something you enjoy, if you just want to know about the new wigs coming out or the new colors coming out, and you want to, you know, watch my 2, 3, 4 cents about it, go ahead and smash that notification bell, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, don't forget to share, comment, and of course, just, I don't know, watch me, you know, because, and I don't know, because I'm bringing you guys the new wig reviews. Come on, man, help us out. Share, comment, say something. But yeah, I really love this wig. Like I said, I give it an 8 out of 10. The only reason why I took points off, because it does have shedding, and you know how I feel about shedding. I don't like shedding, but it's not that bad. I could deal with it. So yeah, it's just that I wanted to try the left side part a lot. I really had my heart set on it. Wasn't working out, so I did the middle part, and I mean, it's alright. It's not alright, it's great. You know, it frames my face, it looks good on me, so I shouldn't say it's a high, it's great. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next wig review. Again, my name is Auntie TT, and welcome to Beauty Thru Her Eyes.
Take it and leave it, take it and leave it all. Take it and leave it, take it and leave it. Take it and leave it, take it and leave it all. Take it and leave it, take it and leave it. I'm trying to stay strong.